Hi, I'm Ashley, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron, and I'm here to help walk you through the DISC assessment. What is a DISC assessment? The DISC assessment is a comprehensive overview of an individual's behavioural style and preferences. As a result, it's primarily used within the workplace to improve communication, productivity, and teamwork. The DISC assessment categorises behaviour into four main styles, with the first being dominance. Individuals with a dominant style tend to be assertive, direct, and results-oriented. They're often decisive, confident, and enjoy taking charge. Influence is the second. People with an influential style are sociable, outgoing, and persuasive. They thrive on building relationships, inspiring others, and are skilled at networking. Steadiness. Individuals with a steady style are reliable, patient, and cooperative. They value harmony, stability, and tend to be excellent team players. And finally, conscientiousness. People with a conscientious style are analytical, detail-oriented, and cautious. They prioritize accuracy, precision, and prefer working with data and facts. The DISC assessment involves responding to a series of questions that assess an individual's behavioural preferences, with the results providing a personalised profile. Clients can better understand their communication style, work preferences, and potential areas for growth. The DISC assessment can be used by any counsellor or any head of teams or departments within the workplace. How to use a DISC assessment. The first step is to fill out the patient details and complete the pre-assessment. You'll then need to fill out the assessment details as well as the post-assessment and the follow-up plan, writing any additional comments if needed. To view a sample assessment of the DISC assessment, feel free to visit carepatron.com. You can download and access the worksheet for free. You can also access the assessment through our platform. Simply filter by the selections available or type in the keyword to find the note. You can also edit however you wish. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to Carepatron to view more healthcare videos.